Hey guys, today we're going to talking about how to use WhatsApp as a beginner. If you have just installed WhatsApp app and you want to use your WhatsApp apps, let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to open your WhatsApp app and you have to add or create your WhatsApp account. Once you have created, you will get your WhatsApp homepage. So here in your chat section, you can get all of your chats you have, or you can create new chats by tapping on this plus option in the top right corner. Or an Android phone, this plus option might be here. So you must have to tap on the plus option, and here you have to select which one you want to do. From here, you can create a new group, add a new contact. You can create a new community. You can chat with different AIs, or you can also create a new broadcast here. So if you want to add new group, so in group you can add multiple your friends or your contacts, or if you want to add to new contacts, so you can add new contacts here. The contact would be saved to your phone and also in your WhatsApp. So from here you can create new community, or you can chat with different AIs from here. So you just have to select the AI which you want to. So here are popular AIs connections, some pop culture, and anime here. You can also chat with animes of their ears AIs and some gaming AIs. So you can easily select which one you want. So from here, if you want to create a new AI, so you can easily do that from this plus option here. So after that, you will get all of your contacts which you have saved in your phone. So if they are on WhatsApp, so you can directly chat them by tapping on this name. Or if they don't using WhatsApp, so you can select this invite option to invite them as chat with you on WhatsApp. Here you will get all of your calls in this call section. You'll get your received calls, missed calls, and your forward going outgoing calls. There's the communities. You can explore different communities here. You can see the example communities, or you can add or create your new one. There's the update section. You can get or you can see the status of others or of your contacts. If you want to, you can add new status here. Simply tap on add status option and you can create new status here. So here you will get different channels. You can create channel or explore different channels from here. Simply go to the channel section and you just have to select which channel you